Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to add Gmail account to your Flutter app on your virtual device. Go to settings in virtual device, then account, add account, enter your email to field, click next, enter password here, click next, scroll down, click yes I'm, click agree, click accept, then go to your Gmail, skip. Okay, my Gmail is added here. To see more content like this, you can subscribe our channel. If you find this video helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment below and share with your friends. Also, if you have any problem, you can comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.